Welcome to our tutorial, where we'll guide you through the steps of using leverage in your trading. Before we jump in, it's important to note that practicing with a demo account is a great way to familiarize yourself with market conditions without risking real money. Let's get started. Once you're logged into the platform, make sure to open the market you're interested in. Here, you'll find the option to select your order quantity, which essentially determines the leverage for each trade. This can be adjusted based on your account's available margin and balance, giving you the flexibility to manage your trades effectively. After initiating a trade, you'll be able to keep an eye on your leverage and margin in real time. This is crucial for making informed decisions about your position sizing in the market. It's key to remember that while leverage can significantly increase your potential gains, it also raises the risk of losses. Therefore, it's imperative to use leverage cautiously, aligning it with your trading strategy and style. We hope this video makes it clear how to utilize leverage in your trading endeavors. See you in the next video!